Baby, I slid in deep. No rubber, no regret. Filled you up like honey in a comb, warm and wet. Left it there all night. Didn't pull out, didn't leave. Just let it marinate while you slept between my knees. I kissed your neck, whispered, keep it safe for me. While that thick cream was working, setting up a recipe. When I open you up in the morning light, it's like a grilled cheese, baby, golden brown and ripe. That cheese pull stretching, long and slow and fine, stringy, gooey, sticky, yours and mine. Pull it apart, watch it drip and shine. Grilled cheese pull, baby, damn, you taste divine.
Yeah, stretch it for me. Woke up to that beautiful mess between your thighs, thick and creamy, slightly crusted like paradise. I spread you open gentle like butter in the bread. That overnight magic turned my load to melted spread. You moaned so soft when I dipped my tongue in deep. Tasted last night's sin, now it's breakfast in a sheet.
When I open you up in the morning light, it's like a grilled cheese, baby, perfect every bite. That cheese pull stretching from your lips to mine, hot and nasty, filthy, so divine. Pull it slow, let it hang and shine. Grilled cheese pull, baby, you're my favorite kind.
Let it cool just enough, then I dive back in. Lick the edges, suck the center, make you drip again. That pull, that string, that filthy cheesy thing got me addicted to the way you creep. Bum, babba-dee-doo-wah. Stretch it, baby. Open you up, morning light, on that beautiful sight. Grilled cheese, masterpiece, dripping just right. girl. Keep it warm, keep it wet, keep it mine.